Guys, yo, what do I call you, bro? I call you Mula. How's Mula? All right, just fixing. Put this on. I'm gonna just call you Mula, bro. I think Mula is a sick name. It's over. Ah, perfect. I'm perfect. All right, let's tell the people in the Discord. Brian Smith, my brother. What is up, my man? A little bit early today. We'll wait for some people to join up, and we'll cover what's going on. Hibachi, what's up, my man? We just hit 2,200 followers on YouTube. I appreciate everyone who follows, yo. If you want to join the Discord, it's free. There's just a lot of people in here. You can ask questions. We got a Forex guy, we got a futures guy, then you got me. If you want to step up and place a role, we have a section for people who step up. They show their trades, they share their gems, and then just the general chats. So if you want to come through, yo. It's free. For everyone on TikTok, yeah, let's wait for some more people to come through because it's still early. Yeah, huh? Maybe. What's up, EK? Just waiting for some more people to join up here. Pablo, what's up? Bias today. We'll cover it when some more people join up. Just waiting for all the homies. Yo, I don't know who's blew my account today, bro. It hurts so mad. It's okay, bro. Why does it hurt? Why does it hurt, bro? You gonna quit now or what? Nah, you're not gonna quit. You're gonna keep trading. You're gonna keep improving. Who cares if you blew an account, bro? Doesn't make a difference in the grand scheme of things. What's up, Mitchell? Appreciate you coming through, brother. What's good, Caldo? What's good? What's up, user? That name is user, bro. Oh, give yourself a name, bro. Oh, aren't you my mod? Yeah, you are. How far you think we'll push into this gap? Depends what 930 does. Mark the quadrants of the gap. Like we're gonna get to 25%, and then from there we can see. What's up, Sabre? What's good, Let's open up the accounts here as well. Gonna be risking probably. We'll see. If we get a really good trade, we'll just risk 400 on the funded and see if we can recover our drawdown. If not, then we'll just risk 200 twice. And then meet. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that weekly. Good call actually, because I missed that. We are gonna get that weekly immediate rebalance. Really good. Not on ES though. ES, we're gonna get to this OB maybe. We're in deep drawdown, bro. We have 500 left. We have like 400, like 450-ish left. So we're just gonna go for it. Oh, quick question. Cause I tried trading ICT on crypto. You think it works? On altcoins, probably not as much, bro. It's just all manipulation, probably. But on the bigger ones, for sure, bro, it works. Good luck. Appreciate you, bro. It's all good. Long or short, probably gonna look for longs today, but we'll see what happens at 9:30 and see what model forms. Haven't looked at the intraday charts yet. I was waiting for you guys. Just waiting for YouTube people. We'll wait till like 9:20-ish. Charts are set up though. We have our TGIF levels. It's 15-minute. Crude oil. I'm thinking about starting crude oil and gold futures. When Nasdaq's not that clean. In case anyone asks me about Forex, it's already loaded up. Alright, start scanning the charts here. Daily, we're trading in the daily bullish fair value gap. Order flow has been very bearish. We do have this 4-hour and this wick. Do you use Fibonacci? Of course, bro, of course. Trading in the 3-hour, 4-hour, 1-hour. There's a whole bunch of stuff there. Look at the imminent price action. Asia high of day right now. We just took out London low of day. We have an SMT. Could be a New York reversal. Bullish day, New York reversal. Yeah, it could be a New York reversal. Target the relative equal highs in London. Do our charting here. So actually, yeah, for TP levels, because we'll be trading on the micro. So we have your London relative equal highs there. I like that. But so maybe like off the weekly immediate rebalance. I want to see that used as kind of like support. Maybe we get 9:30 Judas. Maybe this is your Judas happening early. You have data high still. You have an open 15-minute SIBI. Definitely think price can come up here. You also have your TGIF kind of aligned with this model. So probably going to be waiting for ES to take out the sell side as well, because there's no OB or anything. So on NQ, it looks like it happened early, but if you wait on ES, there might be a clean 9:30 manipulation. 9:30 Judas, target these relative equal highs. Oh, yes, actually took out London highs, so there you go about that too. We also have Asia highs. Yeah, we'll probably be looking for longs here. I mean, definitely not looking for shorts. I'll tell you that much. So if we can get presented by long, any trades taken? Nah, bro, I just went live 10 minutes ago. Usually I don't trade until past 9:30. What's up, little Gaddy? Can you short any indicator? Yeah, the only indicator I have, there's this one, which just puts my name up here, and then this one. This is all I use. Just Asia and London, just to quickly look at the daily profile. And then the last thing I do is the time. I have it mark out New York Open and Midnight Open for me, just so I don't have to do it myself. So Midnight Open and then at 9:30 New York Open. You don't have to mute people if they like just disagree and shit. Only people who are like spamming or like being like straight up assholes. Bitcoin or gold for futures, bro. Indices. What are these charts? This is Nasdaq chart on the 15-minute time frame. What times? What times for what? Are we almost at previous month low? I don't know what you mean by PML. What times do you have? Midnight Open and then New York Open as well. So 9:30. Very key times for me. It's been a while since I've seen indices. Really? Indices are like the most traded thing, bro. NQ and what? ES on the right side, of course. You got to keep ES open if you're gonna trade NQ. Big respect doing it live. Hope you win. Appreciate you, bro. I mean, you've been doing it every day since May. It's been a journey. I've literally never missed a day. Hmm. Want this like this. Why even profitable? I don't know. Depends how you view it. This month has not been profitable. This month's been ass. Previous month highs, the weekly immediate rebalance as well, I think. Yeah. So label it how you will. I'm gonna label it with the immediate rebalance. That one says standard deviation is looking good to long. I don't see any clear. I wouldn't use any standard deviations here. The only standard deviations I would use are maybe Asia's price range, negative 2.5 from Asia's range. You feel too nah, bruh. Do you have bullish? It's not really a bias. Do I think price is gonna go up? There's a good chance, but I'm more just waiting to see if it gives me a presentation to go higher. Um, I'm not a not like fully convinced. I'm just not looking for shorts, you know? I don't care what forms. There's a very little chance I go for shorts, you know? Yep, we'll mark up our org high. Definitely mark up the org high. Right above midnight open. It's nice. Yeah, I mean the standard deviations from TGI, you trade full time. I trade every day, but it's not my full time income. If that's what you're saying, I'm not there yet, bro. Yeah, ES will take out the low. Yeah, we've already talked about that. Right. ES is not ready to reverse. Doesn't look like. I think it's possible to you trade inversions sometimes. Sometimes. If we touch the daily 25% level, which lines up with the daily order block. Different on these charts, huh? Interesting. I really like this short, yeah. I mean long. -4 from Asia lines up with the daily order block open. So we'll keep an eye on that. With longing, I'm gonna look for one. CC of daily FEG. It's kind of very bearish for me, but it's possible. I don't want to see it stay only at 25%, but it can touch 50 for sure. I mean, it could keep dumping, but on discount. I mean, I'm not expecting it to come back all the way to high of the week. I don't think we go much lower today. What trades you making today? I'm gonna look for a long. Yeah, SMT is there right now, but I don't want there to be an SMT. I want to see ES come down here. DC, I think you mean CE. Consequent encroachment, I'm guessing. Going on YouTube. What's up, Albert? Cookie. Yo, anyone on TikTok, by the way, if you prefer to watch on YouTube, I go live on YouTube as well. Exact same stream, literally the same thing, the same time. Why don't you want to see an SMT? Because ES, I want to see ES take out the sell side. Because if ES takes out the sell side, then I know there's no reason for it to go lower. If we leave that low, London low, important low, and I take a long, let's say we just come back up here, then I'm going to have this kind of lingering in my mind where, like, you know, it's just less high probability for me. ES could still go down, take out that sell side before reversing. Doesn't have to, though. I'll start looking for my longs above London low. Or if ES takes London low, we'll look for longs. Which coin is best to trade? Bitcoin. If you're going to day trade any coins, trade Bitcoin. Why are you trading high impact news? Why not? 2 losses, 1 win. I haven't traded yet, bro. I'm 0-0. What's good, Mr. Blue Follower? You know what? I appreciate that name, Reeves. That's exactly what we're going to do today. Except today, we're going to do one more thing. You trade live often? Literally, bro, every single day. Lower probability on news? Says who? Here every day? Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I've been here every day since May. We in this. I mean, I just started TikTok recently, but I've been doing it on YouTube. Bias, bullish. I'm looking for long. It's not about bias at this point. Bros trading emotion / USD? Who? I'm pretty sure there's USD red news. Yep, there was red news at 8. I'm just asking you why you say it's low probability. You know? Says who? Says who it's low probability because there was a red folder. There's your New York Open. I'd want to see a move lower towards London low. That's how I run the 15-minute chart. I'm looking for bias. It's not even about bias. There's just no way I'm shorting this market, you know? So if it presents me one of my models long, we'll look for it. What's good, Taddy? There's just no way I'm shorting this, though. Wait for daily chart rebalance, thank you, then go long. We're inside the day. What do you mean rebalance? I don't understand. This NAS 100, this is NASDAQ, so same chart, just the futures version. So what I'm looking for exactly, I'll say this now. What I'm looking for is ES, so my right monitor. I want to see ES take London low. If ES does not take London low and we hold the SMT, right, then I'm going to look to use the weekly IRB level and London low level as support, quote unquote. So if we can get back here I'll long from here if it shows that it's gonna wick on the higher time frame and use it as support, kind of, right? But I'm still favoriting London. The best setup would be if London can take the lows, but it doesn't have to. Definitely does not have to. London low of day is totally fine, right? We are in OTE of the London range, so we'll see. This week was tough. For prop firm, I used Top Step and I used my funded futures. Let's go to the 1 minute chart and start reading some of these candles. So we have the daily OB level. We have data high 0. I'm gonna have to mark that up. Just put $100 into your Coinbase, and your first buy should be. It's not bad. You still hitting your USD? No, we're out. It wasn't even a swing trade. We ended up hitting TP pretty quickly. I would never trade crypto as a beginner. I don't see how you can find any consistency. It's really hard to just find a coin that's just gonna pump. It happens, but you'll probably lose more than you win. I would just trade, yeah. If you don't want to trade futures because it's too much margin and because you don't want to go the prop route, then just trade Forex. You don't need that much to trade Forex. I traded Forex with a $100 account before. Yeah, you can start Forex with low capital, exactly. I mean, you can always do prop firms and trade futures. That's what I would recommend. But hey, man, you don't got to do that. Yeah, I don't think crypto has much analysis to it. Okay, we're going lower. That's good. Can you do that in Australia? Of course, bro. That's what I would do. That's what I would do personally. So notice the London low level. We are going there. We are going there. So 50-minute chart. I'm not gonna go on the 1 minute chart. So not until we take the London low. So I want to see ES take London low, and then we have our 930 Judas swing model. New York opens right there. Is this binary option? No, this is NASDAQ futures. Today we're looking for longs. Do I think it's gonna come all the way up here and close bullish? No, I don't know. I don't care. You know? So it's not the idea. It's not the idea of like, oh, I really think price is gonna come here. It's just the fact I'm not looking for short. So if I get a presentation, yeah, NASDAQ is index. NASDAQ and SES is what we're trading. If I get a model looking for long, even if it's just a 2R or 3R targeting some imbalance, we're just too deep in the discount for a Friday. Friday usually closes back in the range. We have relative equal highs London. We have no manipulation above midnight. Charts have been profitable the entire day. We're hitting these key levels just now at a key time. I have no problem going long. Someone says Val USD clean equal highs. Yep, they're right there. They do look pretty good. Looks like they're gonna get run. BTC is going low as well. Yeah, maybe. I haven't looked at Bitcoin in a while. What are the stocks saying? Still, everything's too high for me to start investing again. All right, we're almost at London low. SMT is not valid there, brother. SMT is not valid there. They were valid. Then your criteria for valid SMT is too weak. It's too weak. Why not valid? Look, SMT comes after. This is probably the most mistake I see people trade, bro. It happens so often in my chat. People just come to me and be like, but Gaddy, we have SMT. Bro, fuck the SMT. The SMT comes after the narrative. Look at the 4-hour chart. Forget the SMT for a sec. Look at the 4-hour chart. Do you still think that price is not going to take this low? Forget the SMT. Just look at ES. You don't even need any. Now, I didn't do this by looking at the 4-hour chart. We have a 4-hour fair value gap that tapped in. Do you still think it's not gonna come take this low? No, bro. You probably would think, right, that we're probably gonna take this low, especially knowing it's 9:30, and you know it's, if you're looking for longs, you know 9:30 is probably gonna go lower. So why would that SMT be valid then? And then look, does ES have any reason to be trading lower at this point? No, it doesn't. Why would ES be trading lower at this point? There's no imbalance here. There's only a swing low. That's the only thing that's there. It's the swing low. Price only goes down for two things: imbalance or liquidity. If there's no imbalance there, it's going to the swing low, you know? So that's why it's not valid. The time doesn't align, right? The market structure doesn't align. The higher time frame doesn't align. So it's no valid. It's no valid. If we take out the low and then put an SMT, yeah, it's gonna take out this low. That's the first thing I said at 9:15 a.m. in the morning, bro. So we're gonna wait until London ES takes out London low. That's why I'm not even on the 1 minute chart, because there's no point of reading the candles. I'm not doing anything until London low gets taken. It just got taken, so you can see what happens here. So daily order block level tap on ES, sorry, NQ, 25%. Let me mark this out because this actually matters. I think I'd rather mark this out instead of the OB. I don't need to mark out too many things. Just one level is fine. Something to frame the trade-off of the daily busy 25%. It lines up with the order block. Let's go to the 1 minute chart now. What's busy? Bullish fair value gap. Well, actually, it's different, but just for simplicity's sake, it's bullish fair value gap. All right, we took out London lows. So we're looking for my 930 Judas swing. That's the first thing that can form right now is my 930 Judas swing model. AKA if we come back up here and inverse this fair value gap. Let's draw it with lines for simplicity's sake. That'd be a decent long for me. If we can get a breaker, that'd also be a decent long. Nope, no, we're not. You'll see if I trade. So where do I think price is gonna go right now? This fair value gap at a minimum, because we took out sell side. So I think it at least come back up for inefficiency. Do I think there's gonna be a full reversal here? I don't know. You have to wait and see. I don't know yet. For broker, we're using Tradeovate with my fund of futures, and then we're using TopStep as well. Just wait, scan the other time frames as well. See, like the 1 minute has a fair value gap there. The fair value gap is larger on the other time frames. So I'm not saying there's gonna be a reversal and we're gonna take all the buy side. I'm saying I'm gonna wait to see if it shows me it's gonna go up. On a day like this, I think it's impossible to have like a confident bias. But you can say for sure that you're not even interested in shorts and you're gonna look for a long. That makes sense. How many trades you take? Max 2 trade ideas. So if I take a trade and let's say I still believe in the same trade, whether I got stopped out or whatever, I took profits, I want to re-enter, that counts as one trade for me. And then the second trade I'll take. Notice if we get an SMT now, that would be really good. These are futures with expiry dates, yeah. You're Arabic, I am Arabic. Where you take all information for trading? All of it was from Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. I trade ICT concepts. Yeah, I know I'm not a bad trader. I know my weaknesses, and I definitely gotta work. I gotta work on some things, you know. Gotta work on some things. But in terms of like technical, are you funded? Yeah, we're funded right now with 3 accounts. My funded milestone. Think it's really good. Think it's really good. Probably no trades today. So far doesn't look too exciting. I like to see an immediate reaction from London low. This could be the low of the day right here. You know, on ES. Could be. The best thing. Okay, let's focus up here because we do have the I'd want to see it start trading. Yeah, ES definitely more bullish. Looks like we might want to take ES today. I don't even want to hesitate on this. If my model forms, that's the other thing I wanted to work on. Is following the rules is one thing, but sometimes my model forms and I hesitate. I don't want to hesitate. If I see my model. Fair value gap there. No trade. Trade for halal? Yeah, it is. Especially if you're trading prop firms, and then you can trade anything. If you're trading prop firms, you can trade anything. But you're not loan. You're not. What's your model? It's pretty long. You start trading demo. I only trade demo for like 2 weeks personally. What's my model? I can't explain to you. I have too many models to explain, bro. You'd have to just look at my YouTube, look at my Discord. It's all there. I can't just answer the question right now. I try to catch the bulk of the New York session. That's what I do. I do that a couple ways. A breaker here would be nice. If we get a breaker, I will for sure go long. I'm waiting for us to form a bullish FEG. So right now I'm just being patient. Like the macro's coming up as well. Explain breaker. A breaker block would be the candle that breaks structure. So right now we're still going down, right? So if this would be downtrend, I guess. Why only demo for 2 weeks? I didn't need any more, brother. So if we take out this low, we continue the downtrend. However, if after we take this low, we see a break in structure, this is now a breaker block. This would be the candle that broke structure, right? So in this case, which candle would it be? It'd be this big fat green candle. And especially when it's like that, it's really good. Okay, there's your SMT, there's your breaker. Let's see if we can wick. If we can wick here, we have a high probability long for me personally. The SMT mitigation. That's my favorite entry model. So let's see. Touching London low once again. We did form a bearish fair value gap though, so that's pretty bearish. Signature. Yo, stop spamming S&P. S&P is not the only thing you look for in a trade. Me? Use your 20 SMA? Nah, I never use that, brother. How long have you been trading for? It's been like I started my whole journey like what YouTube account did you learn all this? Inner Circle Trader. I'll put it in the TikTok chat right now. It's all free. I would just watch the 2022 mentorship to start. How much you up this week? We're down, bro. We're down. This has been probably my worst trading month ever, bro. If I'm being honest with you guys. Probably the worst month I've ever had. Straight up. If we get the inversion here, we'll go long. In anticipation of the breaker. In anticipation of the breaker. So today it's not even about bias. It's just I'm not looking for shorts. I started my journey. Let me calculate the risk here. 20. We can do 10 micros is fine. I started my journey at it's like just over a year ago. As long as we kind of Ingram, I don't care about the trend, bro. I don't trade anything to do with trends whatsoever. Do you ever stick with your daily buys for the day or change the adapt? Of course you gotta adapt, bro. You get more information. You gotta adapt. That's why I don't like when people say like, oh, don't change your stop loss, don't change your TP. What? What are you talking about, man? Like you get more information as more time progresses. Why would you not adjust your trade accordingly? Why aren't you looking for shorts? Too far in a discount. There's no clear drawn liquidity for me for shorts. So I don't want to just gamble and be like, oh, I think this fair value gap is going to go lower. I'll just take profit at 2R. That's a gamble. There's no clear drawn liquidity. Like in my opinion, it could stop at any time now. That's a gamble for me. Also, like my bias was kind of bullish, so I think we have a 2-minute. Yeah, waiting for the breaker would be the safest option in this case. Show gold. Yeah, you can TP at discount the range. You can do that. But it's on a Friday. I'm expecting it to close back into Thursday's range. So I would say if you're saying they give a reversal signal of a direction, you can change. Yeah, no, I've changed my bias all the time. So it looks like we're getting that breaker as we said. We could just enter long here, off the inversion, in anticipation of the breaker. Doesn't look like we're getting the inversion. It's probably best to wait for the breaker. That'll be the safest, and it's already good risk reward potential, so we didn't even get the inversion, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, just wait. Now see, like I don't personally care about that level. Appreciate the rose and the GG, but you know, for me, we took London lows. That's enough. Don't need to do. Oh my god, we're getting hella gifts right now, bro. Holy shit! All these like ones and wait for 10. Yep, 10 man might be cleaner. Always market. If I'm entering inversion, it's always market. Doesn't make sense to put the limit order. It doesn't need to retest, you know? It's already delivered through that range. So I'm personally not gonna wait. If the risk to reward is not good, then I'll just wait for another entry, you know? Are we in a daily breaker? I think it's a daily mitigation. Nope, that's a daily breaker. You're right. That's a daily breaker for sure. Yeah. Everything's aligning for longs here. I'm not gonna lie. With TGIF and hitting the daily order block, the daily BISHI 25% level, staying above the 50% level. Now, speaking of the 50% level, let's actually mark that up and see where it is. Because that's a really good compliment. Okay, we're still at 20263, so still 70 points down. Don't think we're going to get there, which I said at 9:15 a.m. as well. But it's possible. How can you tell it's a daily breaker? Because it looks like this on the daily chart. Breaker block right here. Yep, that's why I'm waiting, brother. Waiting for the breaker. That's a breaker mitigation. I don't even second guess that. We take those. How high can this run? I like data highs, but we'll see. See if we get the breaker. I'll enter on the breaker right away, to be honest. Unless there is a 5-minute above us. It is, you know, if we're wrong, we'll find out as soon as it comes here. It'll reject. But it's 950 macro now. I'm ready to go long. I don't want to hesitate if my model forms. We just didn't get the breaker yet. Oh, this fair value. Oh, if this fair value gap forms, we are chilling. Yeah, if this fair value gap forms. On my funded, I'll be taking counter trend trading, locally dangerous. Yeah, this fair value will be over by next year. Only time will be made. I'll take this fair value gap. You know, I'll take the breaker. We could have taken the inversion there. The fair value gap's not gonna give an entry. We gotta take the wick. 7, 7. I'll take 6 here. We might just have to take this in. Ah, wow. Yeah, see, we could have. Yeah, it's hard there. It's hard to definitely see that, but let's see if we get a fill. I mean, we'll put it on the breaker just to secure the fill. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yep, TopStack gives you access to live data. Yes. All right, nice. We got filled on the breaker. It's not the worst fill. My model says take the breaker, so we take the breaker if it's higher than the fair value gap. So that's good. Let's see if the breaker can hold and this fair value gap. We did tap to the 5-minute SIBI. So like I said, if we are wrong, we'll find out really quick. It'll react right down from this 530 fair value gap. And then we'll just look for a long again. if we do come lower. Still haven't tapped into that fair value gap. Stop could be a little better actually. Yeah, we can put our stop here. Doesn't need to be all the way down there. Shouldn't disrespect the breaker. We have this wick paired with this fair value gap, so let's do some standard deviations here. You can see your -2 level right there with the equal highs. I like that. Why is it doing that? This is a good take profit level, -1 right there. It's so easy, so safe. Do I want to take profit at the -1? Should go open. It should go open because there's SMT. Yeah, you can see it that way. Exact same trade as me. Cool. That's nice. I think this can go up, man. If I'm being honest, am I expecting high resistance? Not really. The indicator called for the risk to reward. No, this is not risk to reward. This is standard deviations. This is standard deviations. The fact we're getting another solid candle down is not a good sign because now we are closing up the fair value gap that's forming. Failed to inverse, man. Just hold, you know. Nothing we can do now. We followed our rules. The only thing you can control is your rules, you know. We followed them, so we're happy. We never actually tapped into the fair value gap below. Do you think it'll get clean before we go long? It could. Are you up to date? This is my first trade. Which model have you used from the book? This is MMXM, smart money reversal. So stage 1 or low risk buy, it's going to say. It also is your 930 Judas swing. And it's also going to be TGIF. And then the entry model was breaker mitigation. So those were the 4 things I used. Can we re-enter? If you get stopped. Bro, there is 15-minute liquidity that had never been swept. We took London lows. That's more than enough for me. TGIF, baby. You know what? TGIF low-key never hits for me. It's when I back tested it, it was like 80% win rate. But this year, it's not been near. It's like 40% hit rate on Friday for me. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe the timing's off. But compared to back test, TGIF has not been hitting this year like it was for me. No. Trade's not invalidated yet. Structure's still forming. I mean, ideally, you know, it goes from rejects the 5 right away, but I'm happy with the trade. We just tapped into the fair value gap, so let's see. Time is an aspect for sure, yeah. Entering on the 1-minute FEG. That's basically where I entered, just the breakers, just a couple points higher. Order got filled. Good luck, bro. TJF requires it's a weekly profile. What do you mean? Why not put stop at the low? If it comes down here, it'll disrespect the breaker. It'll most likely take the low. That's why. Yep. In this case, it's new. Yeah. Like you can see it as a New York reversal. What do you use for charts? Trading View. You will slay. Appreciate you. We inverse this fair value gap. That's not a good sign. So as soon as we touch the low of this fair value gap, we should go higher. We also have this wick that's being disrespected currently. If it holds, that's a good sign. So this is a wick. We should respect 50% of that wick. If not, then it's probably we got SMT at the lows now, so let's see. Oops. Where was my stop? Put it there at the wick, 75. So we got an SMT like this now. When buy more Deutsch? I don't know. Don't buy crypto. I was looking to short higher up. 950 to 1010. Yep, we've already marked that out. See if we can reinverse this fair value gap. What's up, Yusuf? Yeah, I mean, the safest entry would have been waiting for the 2-minute inversion, but not good risk reward. And I'm happy taking the smart money reversal instead of the stage 1. Yeah, it looks like it's still printing lower. I was long, and you see why you went long, but we're taking lows first. Yeah, maybe. It looks like it now based off this one candle. The fact that we came back to the fair value gap and now we're trading below it. Don't think it'll hold any much longer. But we'll let it hit stop. You know, the stop's there. How much you risking on this trade? 30 times 2. So whatever, 360 on this trade. Trash PA tool trade. I never know. Yeah, we'll wait. Just going off the daily imbalance or anything else. The weekly immediate rebalance. That's all the way up here. But it's when ES took London lows. That's why we're predicting the reversal to happen now at this level. 950 macro, London low on ES. Today's options expiration, is it actually? Usually price action is not that good. It was valid from your model, right? But it's too weak for the bulls. What are you trading? Micro NASDAQ. I would take this trade again. Probably will take it again if we get stopped out here. We'll look for another setup. If we get another breaker, still valid. Am I a full-time trader? I don't get my full income from trading now. All right, we're about to be stopped out. Trading is a waste of time and money? Maybe. For you. Thanks for asking. Wish you all the best. Appreciate you, bro. All right, one last. We'll look for one more trade. Let's see if the S&P. Never mind. S&P did not. So it was a good stop loss there. We managed to cut off like 10 points, so that's not bad. We took the sell side. The only thing that would make me go long now is if we can reinverse this fair value gap and then maybe get another breaker. If not, my eye is now drawn to the 50% level of the daily fair value gap. Yeah, it's fine. You know, we don't have to win every trade. You just have to follow your rules every trade. 263. My eyes jumped to this level. The fact that that setup failed. It could just be a time distortion waiting for 10. So it's possible we just pump now. 10 a.m. silver bullet. But if we continue lower, my eyes jump to this level right here. Cheese. Where are you working aside? I work for a bullet. I was gonna say bullish fair value. I work for a basketball league. Told you, bro. 15-minute liquidity. There's always gonna be liquidity lower, bro. Low, low, low. You know, it's the time aspect that makes it valid. I work for a bullish fair value. Yeah. Your rules aren't even profitable, low. You know what? You just might know me better than I know myself, bro. You just might. Are you longing this? Really? Nah, bro. This is an illusion. Daily POI, 1-minute entry, too risky. London lows. And it's always going to be 1 minute, too. 2-minute aligned as well. You got the 2-minute order block, 2-minute breaker. You didn't get the 3-minute order block. Stop waste of time by trading ICT concept? Nah. I like ICT's concept. Most of trading is a waste of time and money, but then watching you trade, I don't know. What's your bias? Still think it'll go up. Have you passed a funded? I'm currently funded with 3. I've passed many fundeds. I've gotten 3 payouts. It's going lower blood. Right now it is, yeah. I still think it can go higher. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, the only thing holding me back right now is definitely my psychology. Is the 50K toss type easy? Yeah, the 50K will be the easiest one to pass. So I would, if that's your first one, I would just do that one. See if order flow stays bearish. You can't pass funding it? That's okay, bro. There's no rush. You don't gotta pass it now. It's not going anywhere. It'll come, brother. I still think it'll go up, but we'll see. That was a good setup. I would take that again. Why the psychology holds you, bro? The loss was because of strategy? Yeah, this loss was because of strategy, so it's fine. I don't care about that loss. We follow the rules. And you trade today, one loss so far. You funded on Apex? Nah, I used to do Apex when I used to be funded on Apex, but just the trailing drawdown is just awful. You know, I like to hold my trades. A lot of the time I'll hold for and I end up breaking even. So I don't like the Apex. I don't like Apex. Is not good for me. Bro, there was a news. That's why. No, I don't think that was why, bro. We were just not going lower. We were just not going higher, you know? If we were meant to go higher, that setup probably would have worked. So we just looked for the reversal. If the reversal is going to happen, two things are going to happen. So either we looked at the reversal from the wrong point or wrong time. I should say wrong time. Or three, there's just no reversal happening. Not in this session. Yeah, I'll look for a silver bullet now as well. What time did you enter? We entered during the 950 macro. We're in a huge discount. Should be seeing higher prices. Agreed. I think we go higher as well. Follow the trend. No, I don't trade trends. Prop firm. I use Top Step and I use my funded futures. Are you profitable? Not this month. Start trading seriously. You trading NASDAQ? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Media rebalance there. I don't want to see us come above this rebalance and then use it as support. You have more of an advanced look? Nah, I'm okay, bro. I found my system, guys. I appreciate everyone who's like, you know, trying to persuade me, whether it's good intentions or bad intentions, but I'm not trading my system. I'm not changing anything about my system, you know? Ain't no reversals happening today, fella. I think it'll happen today, just maybe not now, but I guess we'll see, you know? Is it worth to invest in XRP? I don't know. I don't trade those kind of stuff. I don't trade penny stocks. I don't trade meme coins or altcoins. So you're asking the wrong person. Which liquidity do you use for Silver Bullet? Silver Bullet, I'm looking for a narrative and a bullish fair value gap to support that narrative. So we just took out these lows. So if we get a bullish fair value gap now, I'm long Silver Bullet. You know, 50% daily short. Yeah, it's not bad. That's if it were to keep going lower, that's where I'd expect it to go. That's what we marked up here. What's prop firm? I use Top Step in my funded futures, brother. How long did it take for you to be profitable? I mean, I got payouts after like 4 or 5 months, maybe a little more. 4 months, 5 months, if that counts. Good level 2 daily breaker and daily FEG looking long. Yeah, I'm definitely looking long as well. Tape reading and stop losses are the only profitable day trading strategies. I guess, you know, maybe the demand zone, do they give reversals? I don't use supply and demand, so what's considered profitable to you? If your last like 100 to 300 trades, how big was your first payout? My first payout was my biggest one. It was 2,000. Do you have to buy TradingView Premium with my fund features? No, sir. No, you do not. I'm surprised it's dumping this much on a Friday. I thought we would bring it back up. Still looking for longs. Me too, Ryan. Yeah. You know, most of the Fridays in conditions like this, it'll go up, you know? You just got to link your broker. So just link your broker to TradingView and then you can trade with it. Now, I agree with you, Ryan, 100%, you know? Can you talk in percentages instead of amounts? Sure. Your biggest payout was just 2K. Damn, bro, my bad. I said just 2K. My bad, bro. I don't know you were like that. You know, now? No, we're just waiting. We're waiting for a bullish fair value gap to see if it forms. You and Maiso took Maiso took shorts from the 5? Interesting. Nice, nice, nice. How did you connect your account to TradingView? How to link your broker to TradingView? You come down here. So I'll show you guys. It'll say trading panel, all brokers. Pick your broker and then just sign in. It'll work. Market doesn't like rising 10-year yield. Yep, it's true, Ryan. It's true. Apex Trader funding 50K. Yeah, it's not a bad one. Yeah, man, these are the days that are going to define your trading journey, you know? Nah, I don't have a TopStep discount code. I literally reached out to TopStep and I was like, listen, I could get you so many signups if you give me a discount code. And they were like, sorry, we don't give out discount codes right now. What is a payout? A payout's when you trade with a prop firm and then the money you make on the account, you get paid out for it. So you're not really trading real, like you don't have to trade your own money. No, but I think I'm gonna be getting one. Options on one of one. I don't like them. I don't like one-on-one. Yeah, of course you can live off trading. Should I sell my Polkadot? You're asking the wrong person, brother. How long does the payout take? 24 hours. Well, like once you get the money or once um um once you get the money or once you like how long does it take to get the money? What you're saying? No, I don't trade gold. How much time do you spend on trading daily? Actually trading just two hours pretty much to your bank. Oh, like yeah, 24 hours ish. Depends what prop firm you use. If they have a good one. You think I'm scammed? No, I think you'll get your payout. I don't think they'll deny a payout like that, but I don't know. I've heard a lot of stories. I would want to see it come above here. I would long from here if it does come there, but we'll see. For broker, I use Tradeovate. Broker Tradeovate with my funded futures, and then I use TopStep X as well. Nice heart, nice short, brother. First FEG. First FEG is all the way here. Or sorry, it's here. Yep, projected the first FEG. Are you profitable? Not this month. What app are you trading on? TradingView. You don't include the volume imbalances on a daily busy for quadrants. Looks like your chart is on set. Oh no, I don't. Right now my chart is on set. The set will give you the larger daily volume balance. But for the actual inefficiency, I just use this. I didn't know ICT said to include it, but I've also found out situations where he hasn't included it. So I'm just gonna stick to what I did in backtest, and I know my data. So yep, I really like TopStep X as well. What's the minimum deposit if you want to trade Nasdaq? It's 100. What are the black and green things on your screen? These are candlesticks. You read price through these candlesticks. What's up, Ryuk? Yep. So if it doesn't come up here, then I'd expect it to drop down. We're trading with TopStep and my funded futures. Good shit, Jay. We take those. Only 100? Yeah, but I would never recommend doing that. That's just the minimum. New week opening gap high? Maybe. What are the numbers on your screen? These are the value of the Nasdaq. Why don't you want to see how long you've been trading? I've been trading 1 year, brother. Sorry, I didn't see your question. It's been just about a year. How long? My trading journey, I started learning like 1.2 years ago. 1 year, 14 months. We're trading on TradingView. This is TradingView. This is a 5-minute fair value gap I marked out. If we can inverse this 5 and above 10 a.m., I'll go long. But I don't think it's coming. Bias, I was looking for longs. Looks like I was wrong. So unless it can really convince me otherwise. Using the 8-hour, that's kind of large, bro. Unless you're really holding your positions. I would just get a TopStep account if I were you, or any prop firm account. Dollar still bullish, yeah. What's your advice after blowing an account? Learn why you blew it and then get another one and do better this time. What is this thing called trading everybody is talking about? You're trading markets. Are you full-time? I trade every day, but it's not my full-time income now. You pay monthly until you pass. That's all prop firms, brother. You pay monthly until you pass. Once you pass, me too, Shaz. Me too. Me too. I mean, we could have waited for the next stage of delivery there, but that would have been the safest thing. But I'm happy to take the reversal. Is Bitcoin going up? Looks like it's going up right now, brother. How's this week been for you? Tough. This whole month has been my worst month, hands down. I think you know what trading is. His name is for. I don't know. He's asking stupid questions. Yeah, fuck that guy then, bro. Good morning, Carl. What's up, my man? Yeah, I guess shorts to the 50% level. It's been pretty heavy. it makes sense, but this profile makes no sense. Like this is definitely manipulation lower, like manual intervention. How does one grow a beard like yours? Just gotta keep letting it grow, bro. You got a good barber. The sessions are still the same. You just gotta convert your time. Like yeah, really surprised we didn't get the. I mean, maybe the PM session will see the move. We might actually trade PM session today because I'd be surprised if we just close down here. Yeah, I'd be pretty surprised. Your strategy? I trade ICT. Live in Toronto. Yeah, nearby. How did you learn to read candlesticks? Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. How do you find what to trade? It's preference. Yeah, maybe DXY is still bullish. Forex platforms, you still pay monthly fees? I think so. I don't know, actually. I'm originally from Iraq. I'm Iraqi. SMCI buy at 16.16. Yeah, I have no idea what that means. Can you explain your 10 a.m. marker? This is the 10 a.m. candle. It starts right here. So if this candle is going to be bullish, it'll usually do this. Every candle has a, so look at the hourly candle. This candle right here. It started at 10 a.m. So I want to see if we come back above it, that would almost signify a reversal for me. But it doesn't look like it's pretty bearish right now, so we're not going to force another long. And I'm not going to chase the shorts. So we'll see if something happens. Yep, I'm Arab for sure. Yeah, we're in a daily fair value gap, so 10 a.m. candle is bearish. Right now it's bearish. I originally was looking for it to reverse. Order flow's been so bearish. It stayed really heavy. You know, we got a nice setup here. The breaker SMT inside the macro. Breaker mitigation. I think that's actually my first loss with breaker mitigation. Yeah, it is. Interesting. That's my first ever loss, even in backtest. We'll put that in journal. It's my birthday today. Can someone give me $30? What do you need $30 for, bro? What time frame do you look for the 10 a.m. marker? You can look for it on any time frame. It's the same. It'll be the same. So if you look at it on the 1 minute, it'll just be this candle. Wait, this is not. Oh, sorry. So 10 a.m. would be. It'll be the same marker on every chart. So it doesn't matter. I don't have my own account. I trade prop firms. So how much did I start with? I don't really understand what you're saying. I marked this myself. But if you want an indicator, you know what? I might as well do this. Just add it here. So I don't have to do it myself. There. Now it's automatic. So this one. ICT kill zones and pivot if you want to see my settings. I have Asia, London, and then I have these 3 times. Yeah, it's so bearish. I wouldn't try to pick a bottom here, and I'm not gonna chase it. Everyone's selling their long positions. Maybe. Why do you think you lost? Just the wrong narrative today. I was bullish, but you're just wrong, you know? It is what it is. That's my favorite reason to lose. What do you recommend watching ICT videos, or is going over your notes enough? No, definitely watch the ICT videos, brother. You trade any particular session? Always New York AM session. What platform? We use TradingView. There's that 50% level. It's possible we get a reversal from there. But we're pretty deep into that daily breaker. Let's clear this up for a sec, actually. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. Still gonna wait for the same thing. If we inverse this, I'll go long. So if we get a breaker here, were you thinking you would go bullish after trading the daily FEG? Nope, I was thinking it was gonna go bullish after taking London lows on ES. And right when it took London lows, we got a breaker, we got an SMT, came above New York Open, but it just fell right back down. So that's why you have a stop loss, and it's all good, brother. What do you think, NAS 100? I wouldn't do anything on NAS 100. Thoughts on inversions? Inversions are good. Sell side at 20580. It's in 4 hour. I still keep sell. It still looks bearish for sure. Yeah, it definitely still looks bearish. There is sell side. Yeah, there is sell side there. I'd rather see it support this wick, but I mean, we'll find out. Why wouldn't you trade NAS 100? I don't know. Why do I have to? Took a loss today, me done. That's okay, bro. Took one loss as well. Yeah, I guess the 5 minute just rejected. It gave a really good reaction though, you know? So it is what it is. Like, this is exactly what you want to see. Displacement through with a bullish fair value gap. It retraced, failed, took out that high. What's your name? My name is Amir. They just call me Gatie though. Should be looking for sells. Don't think I'll be looking for sells. I'd rather just let it go. Just took that trade. Did you? Probably not. Good shit, Sam. That's W. This is no coin. I traded my live account thinking I was on demo backtesting my strategy. Oh shit, that's. I mean, did you win? Some trade I did to me the other day. Can you go high? Pepe, I don't trade crypto. How long does it take you to do the passive evaluation? Usually I do within the month if I trade properly my strategy, but I'm gonna start over risking and just to make it go higher. I mean, just to pass or fail faster. I don't want to waste a whole month. You think we can go lower on NAS? Lower than this? It's possible, but I wouldn't try and chase it personally. You can if you want to. Me personally, definitely not. I would never chase this. I'd rather just come back in the PM session. I mean, we're waiting. If we get strong displacement from the daily level, still trying to pick a bottom though, which I don't like. Good shit, David. Yeah, went back down. That's okay, bro. As long as you followed your rules, it's fine. The only thing you can control in trading. Nope, we didn't take shorts. The only thing you can control in trading is whether or not you follow your rules. That's it. So don't worry about what happens. Don't worry about anything else. Me too, Mark. Add me to the boat, bro. Because me too. This line, what is that line actually? Daily FED 50%. And this line, yeah, me too, Emerald. Maybe PM says you took a trade. We took one loss today, Johnny. Yep. The loss streak and the terrible month continues. 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah, maybe. Still 10 points, but maybe, I guess. We're in a discount already of the daily range. Discount array, discount array, discount array. But it's just Friday, you know? So maybe next week, but maybe we get a full reversal on the daily chart, you know? We got the inversion. On Monday, we'll be targeting 50% of this range. Yeah, I mean, usually the TGIF has been, I might just stop trading TGIF. I don't know. My backtest results were so good with TGIF, but in 2024, man, so inconsistent with TGIF. It forms like on Monday, like a lot of the time. TGIF is when you expect Friday to do opposite of what the week did, pretty much. Because usually Friday, like if the week does this, usually by Friday it ends up somewhere in the range. So that's TGIF, is this price leg right here, pretty much. Okay, we tapped the daily breaker mean threshold. Yeah, I see the N walk there. It's possible. It's definitely possible. Do I think there's gonna be a reversal here? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. That's why I marked out the level, and we'll see what happens. Still, for me to trade something, I mean, the 10 a.m. candle doesn't even have a high. Like, this is just, you know, like awful price action. Not awful, but like, yeah, you could have found some short entries, but shorting this deep in a discount after London lows were taken, like that's chasing, in my opinion, you know. Miso is watching you. Hey, what's up, Miso? ICT kills and pivots. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's risky shorting this low. What's up, Miso? How are you, brother? Did you see ICT's tweet? Nope. Did he say don't chase price? It sounds like something he would post on a day like this. Show is about to begin. No gambling. ICT posted, I would have lost if I had entered. Rules work, but only if you follow them. Why do I feel like that's me, bruh? It's like talking about me. And he took one loss myself, took the mitigation breaker. My first ever loss on mitigation breaker, actually. Right here, 950 macro. Mitigation breaker. We took London low on ES. And then just wrong bias, killed us. So now we're here. We wait. You took the same and lost? Yep. It was a good trade, bro. You know? And then you flipped instantly? Nice, bro. Yeah. You saw the 5-minute bearish and you were like, you know, that's not a bad idea there, actually, you know? Because, you know, if that setup fails, like, just go opposite, bro. Because if that setup fails, it's just going to be like... Because that setup has such a high fucking win rate. If it fails, you know that it's just something... like, the opposite's going to fucking happen, you know? That setup don't fuck around. Mitigation breakers. That's a really good decision, myself, actually, yeah. Me too, Pablo. Yeah, that's interesting. I wonder if I add that rule. The thing is, I have no data to go on it because I've literally never lost a trade breaker mitigation. That was the first one. That was literally the first one ever. So I don't know. I guess we'll keep track and see how often breaker mitigation fails and if it does fail. If we just reverse the position. It was not a mitigation. Yeah, it was on ES. Price been hella bearish. Yeah, order flow is so bearish. You're on Nasdaq. Yeah, but I'm looking at both. So why not go short? Because then you're just chasing. Why wouldn't I short that most recent imbalance? It's too deep in the discount. I have no clear idea about where price is gonna go. So this makes no sense. The stop loss is never gonna be safe because look at the range. So I don't trade like that. What do you mean chasing? I mean it's like the price already went down so much. So I'm not gonna be like, okay, it's probably just gonna keep going down because it's been going. You're just chasing it, you know. The only reason you think it's gonna go down is because it has been going down. Me personally, I don't trade like that. If you trade like that, that's fine. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Just it's not my model. I don't have any data backed by that. Can't speak on the win rate or the profitability long term, so I don't trade like that. You should buy my signals. No thanks. One short upwards candle should be supporting price. Exactly, that's true. That is true. Yeah. You took the same loss. Yeah, it's a good trade. I would do it again. We're doing a watch party right now. Entertain us. What I mean, shake ass, bro. What do you mean entertain you, bro? You want entertainment, bro? How about we talk Mike Tyson, Jake Paul, bro? Cause that shit, I don't even like watching fighting that much. But Mike Tyson, Jake Paul, bro, I'm gonna be watching that shit. Damn well I'm gonna be watching that shit. Come on now. Why does everyone think Jake Paul's gonna win? I get it. He's faster. But like, come on, bro. Mike Tyson, bro. Wemby went for 50. Yeah, of course. Higher time frame just screams bullish for me at this point. You betting? Honestly, maybe, bro. Mike Tyson KO first 4 rounds. Thoughts? He is definitely past his prime. Jake is definitely faster. One by me Fortnite for your funding, bro. What? Yeah. Right now, obviously the longs are completely destroyed. Just like, just so bearish. I wouldn't try to fight it. Daily mean threshold. Yeah, daily breaker block mean threshold. I'll watch stream on Discord. I'm down, myself, but you can't. The thing is, you can't stream Netflix, so we'd have to. I'll show the executions so people stop asking. You'd have to. Why is there 2 arrows? I only took one trade. I don't know why it says that. Mike Tyson hitting TP. Boxing is young man sport. Yep, that is true. You can stream Netflix. I know the method. Shit, I'm down, myself. Depends what time the fight starts. Though. It might start at like 12 Eastern time. Like I don't know. It's gonna start late. I was thinking about going long. Now I'm waiting till 10:50. You have a signal group? No, but I live stream every day. We're all gonna head out. Take care of myself. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, my guy. I was planning to get you banned. Oh, on Discord? Oh, I wouldn't do it on YouTube or TikTok. How many trades did you win yesterday? 0, brother. 0. You trade inversions? Yep. Yo, you chill projects? I don't know what that is. 0 trades. 0 trades, brother. 0 trades. Brother, reversal when longs hit are gonna go crazy. It might not happen today, bro. It's just so bearish, Yeah, we go again. Took the same buys. It was a good trade, bro. Yeah, it was a good trade. I would take it every single time. Classic sell week. The one thing this is not is a classic sell week. It's like that's just not, that's not how Friday reacts on classic sell week. Friday would be doing the opposite. When is Mike Tyson Jake happening? The stream starts at 8 on Netflix. Anybody issues with TradeStation today? I use TradeStation as well, but no, I don't have any issues. Caught that move, nice, bro. Same trade, yeah. It is what it is, bro. I just take what the market gives, bro. I just follow my risk, and whatever I make, I make. Yeah, it was a good trade. I would take that trade again, bro. TGIF, New York manipulation, London low swept. It was really good. The orders don't fill on TradeStation. That's not good. Same trade, yeah. How many wins today? We took 1 loss today. That's all we have so far. Did we hit that daily OB? Reversal soon. 10:30 is kind of late, if I'm being honest. Didn't hit equilibrium. That's true. But I've taken enough trades where it hasn't, and it just went to London lows, and that was enough. So you're just doing what was the trade? What was the trade of day? Yep, I'm still waiting. Appreciate you. No risk, no Rari. That's funny. No risk, no Rari. I lost all my funds. I'm cooked. It's over for me. Why, bro? Can't you just get another account? Just get another one, bro. Same trade. Yep, it is what it is, bro. It's a good trade. It's my A+ model, just didn't work out. 9 out of 10 times this works out. Especially the way it formed like this at this time from that level. 9 out of 10 times. I would take this shit every time. How much loss? On this account, 300 or something, 320 or something. Watch this slight sweep of sell side and then reverse. Maybe. We have another SMT here at the daily breaker mean threshold. Gonna get it funded tomorrow or Sunday. I'll probably get more evals this weekend as well. Just get a prop from. What model do you trade? I trade my model, my system. Do we take the breaker here and just try to catch the bottom? Topstep pays out pretty quick. I got in payouts with them within 24 hours. What is your goal for the day? Just follow the rules, bro. Same goal every day. Yeah, if with the right buy, if that trade plays. Hop on Roblox. 33. I think yes, has to take 1 hour low for possible reversal. Still waiting for longs. Definitely not looking for shorts. So we're just here, seeing what's gonna happen. It's a long range from 10 a.m. Total allocation right now 150K. I've been higher though. I've been around 500K before. I think yes, yeah, possible. Wait for sell side. I think enough sell side has been taken for me personally. Did you win a trade yesterday? Nope. This month, the last 4 weeks have been my worst weeks ever. The last 4 weeks have been in all of backtest. Actually, maybe not backtest, but for the most part in all of backtest and all of live trading. Me personally, last 4 weeks were not good. Beginning of October was really, really good for me. It was actually one of my best times. The beginning of October, I was trading the best I have ever traded. Was averaging like 4 risk to reward and a 75% win rate. Insanely good numbers. Then the next 4 weeks after that, just the worst. How much are you funded right now? 150K. Yep, I'll trade December. But I'm working on some things that's gonna help my trading model. So I'm gonna try to implement them this weekend. That'll help me a lot, So we'll work on that. Good target for long. If you think there's gonna be a reversal, it's at least gonna come to 10 a.m. If you think there's gonna be a 10 a.m. reversal. What's wrong with Dogecoin? I don't know. I don't trust any cryptos personally. None of those little ones. Nah, man, this is not going higher, I don't think. I mean, yep, every single day we are here. Every single day. Why do you know Forex? I trade Forex as well, actually. Opinion on Solana? Bullish until proven otherwise. How you compare job with trading? Trading makes more money. Damn, you took that long too. I got smacked. Yeah, we got smacked, bro. Did you watch ICT? Every single video, multiple times. Yep, we took one trade. I'll show the execution. Sorry. Starting to go so down that you can't even see the execution. What pairs do you trade? All of them. I like Euro the most. Probably simple. How does it work? You pass an account. They give you funding. And then if you make money with that funding, you can request payout. What's your strategy? It's my whole system. I can't really explain it. I trade ICT concepts. I try to catch the bulk of the New York session. Stocks registered for dip. I need more dip, bro. I need a whole lot of dip. AMD, maybe. I have my eye on AMD and Google, I think. But they're so far up. And I would need to start being bullish on NASDAQ too. That's my second criteria for a stock buy. 4-hour discount FEG, then back up. Did we tap it on NASDAQ? Nope. Took the sell side there. Like now you're just trying to pick a bottom though, you know? Pepe USD? What? Pepe USD? Okay, let's see this. It looks bullish to me, bro. TGIF right there. Still looks bullish. Like, bro, TGIF even be hitting on this shit, bro. Why can't it hit on NASDAQ? What? TGIF works on every asset, bro. Trust. Shit is nice. I'm not trading on Fridays, buddy. Alright, bro. No one said trade on Friday, bro. Relax. Nope, no more trades yet. See if we inverse this. Could this be our first sign of... I'm not even gonna say bullish order flow. I'm just gonna say lack. Yeah, I'll put the TikTok back. Do you guys want me to keep the TikTok chat up here? Nope, I didn't take any more trades. About to reverse anytime soon. It's really hard to pick a reversal here, bro. It's so bearish. If nothing happens at 1050, that's like really, really aggressive. Yeah, I know. Oh, sorry. There was an SMT, but it went away. My fault, my fault. Yo, I wonder, did YN go up today? Nah, also went down. Maybe should we look at, would you say a scalper needs more capital than day trading? Just use prop firms, bro. You like the TikTok chat there? I can leave it there. Let's look at crude oil. Look at crude oil. Maybe it's clean. Who knows? It's such a risky buy, but it's not breaking a rule. If I take the bullish fair value gap, that is. What do you guys think? I cooked? What the fuck is this? It's just so bad to take along like this, but we hit the breaker mean threshold. ES didn't tap the 4-hour. Oh, guys. I don't think this is a good trade. Hey, Koala. No, I don't think this is a good trade. Favorite indicator? I only use one, and it's just this one that marks out the times for me, so I don't have to mark it out. Any W's? Nope. One loss. Looking for one more. Still think we can get another leg lower. Don't take. I'm not gonna take it, but if you guys want to, go crazy. That's your immediate rebalance. Oh no, we actually left it open. That's a pretty bullish sign. If we don't touch this candle's low, I might just click buy. To be honest. Like this. Deadass. Not. Oh, the EU shorts. I caught some EU shorts on Monday, I think. Why don't you actually Asia model? Because I'm better profitability in New York session. Well, at least I used to be. You just got to use Tradeovate, Juan. Both assets gave the setup, Richard. So it was fine either way. I'm funded with Top Step. No, I'm not. If we leave this gap open and we formed, I mean, I'm not taking this long. But if we had formed that as a OB, I would have taken that, to be honest. Because this is such a bullish indication right here. But no. What's your RR? Right now, probably awful. But my average is usually like 2.5. I personally think Top Step's better, but that's just me. And 40? Just like so hard to long this. Wait, the fuck? I'm on Bitcoin. I was like, why does she look so weird? uh, yeah, hard day, just kept dumping. It's pretty rare for a Friday, but I take partials only above 3 risk to reward. If we get a breaker here, I'll go long. Dumb questions. Hooked. I didn't take the long. I didn't take the long. So, not yet. Not yet. I love how I said not yet. Kenny, I don't even expect to win anymore. Just expect else. I would love to see a breaker mitigation here. Oops. Would be really nice. I might even turtle soup it just for the fuck of it. Who's your broker? Trade of 8, my fund of futures, and then Top Step X. Give me SMT. Give me SMT. Oh, we're gonna fell short of the 4 hour by 1 tick. Why take a long on a short day? It's funny. Are you in? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Explain SMT. SMT is a divergence between pairs. One asset made lower low, one asset made higher low. Will go down must It's just turtle soup. If you click buy right here, then yes, that is turtle soup. I don't trade turtle soup. I'm not gonna break the rules on the last days on my fund to tell you that. I'm like truly proud of myself how we managed to really fix up. If we get an inversion here, I'll go long though. Give me by that point, I should say. Huh? Couldn't trade? Then don't trade, brother. It is not how you enter. Yep, I was studying on YouTube for free. Yep, exactly. Turtle soup is in. Turtle soup is not how you entry. Turtle soup is literally an entry. It's buying a low. So I don't know if someone changed the definition, but the original definition of turtle soup. Yeah, yep, it is, bro. The original definition, turtle soup, 1920, by the turtle soup traders themselves. It's always been buying the low. Selling below old lows. That's the definition of turtle soup. Sorry, buying below old lows. That is not ICTs. This is even before ICT, bro. 1920. And ICT teaches it the exact same way. I'll literally find you the tick. It's simply buying below old lows, selling above old highs. I'll find you the clip, bro, if you want. It's in 2024 mentorship. He talks about turtle soup. You getting in this? No, definitely not like this. He does? Trust me, I know. I've listened to almost every single ICT lecture, some of them multiple times. Yeah, he talks about it all over it. You're right. But he's been pretty consistent about what exactly turtle soup is. Entering after sweep. It's not even entering after the sweep, it's simply buying below old lows. That's the turtle soup entry model. Breaker mitigation part 2. Like, let me tell you something. If you put a limit order at a fair value gap, yeah, if there was a fair value gap here, I would take it, but there isn't now, so. A limit order on a fair value gap is turtle soup. So if I put a limit order right here, this is a turtle soup entry. I bet you didn't know that. This is turtle soup right here. Yeah, of course higher time frame matters. No, it is not. I will literally find you the exact clip of ICT saying entering a fair value gap like this is a turtle soup entry. Because you're buying below an old low. Like literally word for word, he has said that. Like word for word. But it's there. 2024 mentorship. I think it's episode 18 or 19 or 20. Anyway, we're definitely not going long. That's just destroyed. Yeah, I know. I'm definitely not long in that. Of course, it has logic. Of course, logic, higher time frame, time, all that stuff matters. That's how you trade against ICT. If an ICT trader took that shit, then honestly, they're just a disgrace. Don't force a trade. We're not gonna force a trade. Just here to follow the rules. Oh my god, this is huge. What is turtle soup? Turtle soup is an entry model where you buy below old lows. What do you think about Shiba? I don't care about crypto, bro, to be honest. Is it a good long now? It's never going to be a good long, to be honest. Any long is not going to be a good long in this session. First presented FEG is very strong. Yeah, I need to go back and backtest more of that because so far this month seemed to be like a lot stronger and higher probability than I thought it would be. Depends on the model NAA trading, but yeah. The good news is, guys, let me tell you guys the good news. I think there's literally a 0% chance that our next 4 weeks is worse than this. So we literally have to, like, you know, look nervous. Do I look nervous? I was itching my nose. But I don't know. I don't think I'm nervous. You have a point of interest, you want to stop at that point. The best ones want on a higher time frame stop, another one on stops on lower time frame. Then turtle soup is set up. I mean, that sounds like a high probability turtle soup, if that's what you're saying. More viewers you have, the worse the stream gets. What do you mean? You lost your 50K funded, and you just got it yesterday? That's not good, bro. What happened, bro? Look at the 4 hour. Yes, so close to that 4 hour. Fell short. All right, 1050 macro. Daily volume imbalance. I don't know. Maybe. It's like pretty unpredictable for me, to be honest. Do you have a Discord and trade live on there? I trade live on YouTube and TikTok every day, bro. 2 days of watching your stream. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I know. You're talking about the one lower. I just marked out this because it's closer. You thinking about over here? Yeah, it's possible, bro. I don't know. That would be like a full. If we come all the way down here, bro, I'd expect these lows to get taken. It's only a 3-second delay. Oh no, sorry. It's only it's like a it's like a 0.3-second delay for YouTube at least. Win rate, usually I average like 60, but this month has been awful. It's been like 20, 30. I think it's like 35. You stream 5 days a week? Yep, bro. Every day we're here. All right, let's see what this macro does. I'm gonna put the TikTok chat back here. It's just a candle, guys. You trade gold something even every on weekend? No, not weekend. Markets close on weekends, but I take the weekends off. I review my journal. I look at my trades. Do I just take this macro? There's no trading model here. What's your biggest payout? My biggest payout was 2,000. For you, doesn't generalize right now. Every varsity is a person it can be for you. There's someone here literally just doing the opposite of. That's funny. You're thinking long? No, honestly, no. I'm not thinking anything right now. I would do micros for sure, bro. You're in longs, Kookie? Damn, I hope it plays for you, bro. I'd be breaking rules if I took any trade now, because I wouldn't qualify any of this as silver bullet. No, TGIF is still in play, possibly, but shit, that's good, JD. That's good, bro. But I bet you if you keep doing that long term, you won't be profitable. How about that? When I get mad at the market, I'll just watch a couple of Charles W. edits and feel this song. That's cool. Yeah, man, find your peace. Let's see. I'm not taking this, but let's see if this fair value gap plays. I would never take this personally, but it's possible to BPR. When did you start? Oh, you're joking? I mean, yo, if you faded me, you probably made a shit ton of money, bro. Because we were this, like I said, this is my worst ever month. So, Paulo, you're just speculating, bro. The Marcus Barrett, yeah. If you pass the challenge, you get payout. No, you gotta get money on the funded after. You think 3 months is good to start a real funded? You have been losing? Yeah, bro. Bad month. I'm also my worst month trading. Welcome to the team, bro. If you want to talk, let me know, brother. I'm here to talk. Same with unknown, yeah. For me, like not like necessarily November. I just mean like the last 4 weeks. What do you think of Hydra? He's weird. I think he's weird. I've been trading for. I got my first funded. Cookie. Yeah, it's a cooked fucking market, bro. Lunch trade. Oh, I love the one set up for life. It's an amazing model. Welcome me to community, man. I feel you. Oh, you're here. Let me ask you guys. Was it like November that's the worst, or just the last 4 weeks? Because I'm talking like last 4 weeks, like beginning of October, guys. September to October, middle of October, I was insane, bro. My confidence went like I was killing it, bro. Like just the win rate, the risk to reward, the management, everything was so clean. I called out days where everyone was against me and it played out, and I was feeling myself. You got the shorts? Nope. But the last 4 weeks got my ass, bro. Your Discord is free? Yeah, my Discord is free. I mean, you can still join, you know. I help people for free. The period when you pass the evals. Sarvan, you were there, right? Sarvan, you know my numbers for those evals, bro? It was 70% win rate with 4 risk to reward. And we did not over risk. We took 20 trades. We were risking properly. You do mentorships? I kind of help people for free, you know? Maybe in the future I'd open up a mentorship, but it's always going to be trading number one for me, you know? Past 4 to 6 weeks humbled me. Oh, trust me, I've definitely been humbled too, bro. Is it hard to trade during Ramadan? No, you can do it. 30% increase in my win rate before this. You've done 91 with 7 to 1. That's fucking insane. That's fucked. Yeah, cap or no cap, who cares, bro? Is crude oil doing anything that we can? What? Why did crude oil just pump? The fuck? This is what we were looking for on NASDAQ. Crude oil took the buy side. Look at crude oil, clean. Sell side into a fair value gap. We took one loss today. Yeah, guys, I made 55 million, but I wasn't streaming because my internet was down. But trust, I did it. Same a lot, same, yeah, same, bro. But you are losing now. How you profitable? That's why I said this month I'm not profitable. But if you look at all my months, still profitable. Some slight. What do you mean some slight? NQ will go up eventually. I think hey, yo, we tapped the 4-hour bullish fair value gap, so bro, Gatie is doing a project going back from 10 mil, trying to make it back. The 5 mil. Oh, yeah. Yeah, a little something. No, I would show you guys, but can't, fortunately. How much did you say you made from live trading, including stocks or no? You take any trades? Yeah, one loss. Horrible November passed the funded last month and lost the express today. Yeah, same. Well, I still have the funded accounts, but August we did good. Advice on stock. The way I purchase stocks is I look for discount stocks in a bullish Nasdaq. Are you religious? Yeah. We tapped the weekly there? Oh, cool. Yeah, we did. If we're gonna go higher, it's gonna be 11 a.m. power of 3. Which prop firm? I use TopStep and I use my fund in futures. But yo, listen, everyone listen up. Everyone on TikTok, I live stream on YouTube as well. I think YouTube is better because you can see the screens and I think there's less of a delay, but I may be mistaken, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna be live on both every single day, so if you want to come through either way, I'll be there. I don't charge anything. Discord free. We got 12,000 people in the Discord. It's free. We got people who've been in there. They know their stuff. They're promoted traders. They can help you out. If you want to talk psychology, I'm there, and so are the others. If you want to talk gym, you want to talk motivation, you want to talk about whatever, you want to look at charts, you want to see my personal weekly outlooks. What did I say at the beginning of this week? Let's see. So I said I'll be focused on shorts early in the week. So we were right about this. I was wrong about the reversal. But so the weekly outlook was correct. We said for DXY, looking for the higher price from the daily BISI. Let's see if we were right. Curious. I was talking about this daily BISI. We never tapped in, but I was right about the higher prices because we had those equal highs, right? Yeah. So kind of right, but kind of wrong at the same time. Is crude oil tradable? I'll literally short this, bro. First ever trade crude oil. If we get an inversion here, fuck it. I'll go short. I've never traded crude oil before. I'll alert there and just see what happens. Okay, let's see what Nasdaq does. What would you say your win rate is, G? Depends on like what month. Oh shit, someone sent to heart me? What even is that? Looks fucking sick. What are you doing now? Waiting. 15-minute OB on CL? Yes, this candle right here is your bearish order block. How did you learn ICT overall on Nasdaq? Yes. Overall, my whole life. Damn, that's kind of hard, bro. Cause like I started off low, right? Actually, I started off pretty high. Then I went break even. Then I went low. Then I went high, and now this month's low. On average, I average around like a 50 to 70. I'll say like 40 to 70. Like it ranges. You know, I'm pretty streaky. That's one thing that's not good for me. You know, I'm very streaky. Like I'll usually go on like long win streaks or long loss streaks, bro. Like it sucks. I wish I wasn't a streaky. I wish I was just consistent. Like a consistent 40 to 50 or 60. That would be great, man. But nah. I'm unfortunately pretty streaky. Bro, if today I follow my rules, that's good, bro. Hesitation takes me. Yeah, bro, listen. For everyone listening, first things first I want to say is if you want to come through the Discord, I'm not selling anything. Like deadass, I don't care if you come, you know. I'm always gonna be trading first. But if you want to come through, like I'll promote you as a trader. If you want to get active with the Discord, you want to post your gems. We got someone running the futures section. This guy's really good. We got someone running the Forex section. This guy's insanely good. He'll give you discounts on his prop firm and everything. He owns a prop firm. We got man doing crypto, Forex, futures. Okay, the gym section I just opened, but it's working. It's all free if you want to come through. You want to shoot me a DM? I reply to every DM. So yeah, don't pay for no Discord, bro. I'm charging for Discord. What's the lowest you can start with? You can start with $200. Top step, 50K funded. 100 US to win. I think it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. It's also possible you win the lottery 10 times in a row, but fuck, bro. What are you even trying to do that for? If you guys also want to tune in on YouTube, I'm live on YouTube and TikTok same time. Do I use SMT? Yep, of course. This inversion, anticipate the breaker, and then we can maybe go. I'm like to join new here. Welcome, brother. Any good flips for 1K? What are you trading today? What gold strategy do you trade crypto? Rarely trade crypto. Like I own some Solana, but CBA. Like I don't really care about crypto. Appreciate you, Om. What copy trader? I just use the TopStep X copy trader. You really want to learn how to do this? Good, bro. You should really want to learn how to do this. Are you from States? I'm from Canada. What do you use for a broker? I use TopStep X and Tradeovate with my funded futures. I'm trying to answer every question, but there's a lot. We're trading NASDAQ just like every day. You took one loss today. I'm from Canada too. Welcome, brother. Should I use one of one? I wouldn't. I would just use, if you want a Forex prop firm, I would use personally funded by traders. If you want to use a futures prop firm, then I would just use TopStep, my funded futures, and then Apex. Is it valid to short? If you think it's going to go lower, yeah. It's not the worst short, but FTMO. Yeah, FTMO is not bad. How can you be profitable in a bearish market? I'm new. You can go short, brother. It doesn't need to go up for you to make profits. Is it valid to short? Man, it's not a bad short. I wouldn't, but it's not bad. How about go funded? Get out of here with that shit, bro. Maven. Some people in my Discord were talking about Maven, but I don't think they went through with it. But you from Toronto? Yeah, you're from Toronto. I'll have to read the fib. You read the fib like this. I would TP at this yellow line, which is the new week opening gap. I'd also TP at standard deviations. Like I'd look for 0.5 to 0.25 even, you know. Like it's not the best trade. There you go. 0.5 is there. So I'd look at -1. Because this is like 0.5 is above this. You gotta look below. Amuzi's my boy. Do you know him? No, I don't know him personally, but I'm pretty sure I've played basketball with him back in the day. Like just looking back at his videos, I was like, wait, this guy played ball here? I must have played ball there. I used to always play ball there too. When is True open for the week? Monday, midnight opening. Can you talk in a Canadian accent? Bro, what do you think? Where's Mr. Chuckle? Mr. Chuckle's only going to come in every now and then. Nah, as long as I wouldn't try to pick the bottom here, you know? It's like impossible. I would want to see it go up, but how long you been trading? I've been trading for, I got my first funded January 31st. I got my first funded account ever. Pretty sick, no? You trade currencies? Yeah, I trade Forex as well sometimes. It would make sense. Where's the crude oil? We didn't get the inversion, so still waiting. I'll short it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'll short crude oil. I just want to take a trade on crude oil, to be honest. First ever. Yeah, like that. Just for the fun of it. Toronto accent is so bad. Oh man, yeah. Would you say you were profitable now? Yeah, I'd say so. My last 200-300 trades, very good. My back test, very good. Just this month was bad, you know. And that's the kind of the bad thing about prop firms. You can't really afford a bad. I mean, you can afford a bad month, you know, but depends how bad, you know. 1-2 bad months in a row. I trade ICT, brother. I am the creator. ICT is a person who has good trading concepts. Yes. Can you look at the video? How long you been trading? I started my whole journey like 14 months ago. Someone said, can you look at the post ICT posted on Twitter just now? Check Dow. Say word. I'll take my first trade on Dow too, bro. Oh, this is ass, bro. Nah, I'm good. Get my ass back to NASDAQ. Yeah, I mean, this is not tradable. Look how choppy it is, you know, not much is happening. So Yeah, let's look at the post ICT posted. Okay.
Folks, this is
Ooh. Say I won't short this. So slow. But I've deadass never taken a trade on crude oil. I feel like it would be so cool to just take a trade on. You have a course? No, I post my model on YouTube and in my Discord for free. So if you want to look at my model, you can. But no, I don't course. I just help people for free. Took an L on CL 5 minute. It could just give me a bearish for that gap. The failure swing is nice. 2 minute. I'll short this, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. Do you recommend a course? I just recommend ICT on YouTube, bro. You know the unicorn? Of course, bro. Where did you enter your short? Me? I like this. Alright. I'll have to wait to see if it actually inverses. But fuck it, bro. I've never taken a trade on crude oil. I think this would be kind of fun. It's just gotta give me the inversion. Stops at the OB. Oh, fuck, I gotta. Alright, let's see. How does the risk work here? Oh shit. Alright, fuck it. See what happens. First ever trade on crude oil. What's your max allocation? The most I've gotten, you mean, or what I have right now? Just real. This is eval, and then I took it on the funded as well because why not? I'm gonna be getting new evals for next week. Okay, let's look at the video. Is it really gonna be this slow? Ah, whatever. Let's look at the video. Currently, right now, I have 150K in funding. Trade the uni? Yeah, I trade the unicorn all the time, bro. All right.
first present the fair value gap in a 1 minute chart. You can see we traded up and down into an old inefficiency where it's actually a real liquidity void because there's actually nothing.
Is this the weekly in
See? That's a base track nonetheless.
Notice it's on the amp live. He's gonna show execution at the end.
Bullish.
I know ICD. Show him. Where'd he get? Oh, never mind. Oh, it's he right there. He always does that shit. Put that shit at the end. Yo, let me tell you guys something about ICT, bro. Bro, so many people. I want to look at NASDAQ still, so let's. I guess we'll keep the crude oil trade up. Yeah, fuck it. We're already trading it. We won't look at NASDAQ anymore. What brokers do you use in Canada? I would use AMP if I were to. Crude oil is super slow. What do you expect oil to do? Possibly take the sell side. What rules do you use? I use my rules, bro. 2 minute bearish for value gap. That's your best entry there. Should we add one? How much do we have left on this? Can't do the math. What prop firm? I use TopStep and I use my fund and futures. I mean, he said, how good is the first presentation? Damn, instant stop out. Instant stop out. We inverted it so nicely. And a bearish for value gap. What were you about to say about ICT? Oh, a lot of people say ICT. Yep, stopped out there. Unauthorized. What does that mean? A lot of people say ICT never traded live. What is that spread? Yeah, that spread's crazy. A lot of people. You have never seen me take a dub? Damn, I just haven't been here long enough, bro. A lot of people say ICT can't trade, but in 2023, he's traded live so many times. You know, to the opposite. Yeah, you could have there, bro. I mean, to be honest, I just wanted to trade crude oil. We took the inversion, failed. Crude oil was 5-minute busy. Yep, 5-minute busy. He did not inverse the 5-minute busy. Go back to Nasdaq and see what's going on. TGR is better. Yeah, go watch TGR then, bro. Options? No, actually futures. Just futures, no options. Futures and forex sometimes. His system obviously works. ICTs or mine? My system definitely works. Yeah, I mean, I don't need anyone to prove to me. I have like over thousands of back-tested trades, 3 payouts. Psychology needs some work though, that's for sure. But we have brand new evals for next week, so we'll be working on those. And my funded futures as well, I think we'll do. So what's your Merc? What's my Merc? Oh, my Mercedes? I don't have a Mercedes. I got Lexus. It's my car. Is that not OB 3 down close candles? Which OB? These 3? Yes. That is a bullish OB. This is a bullish fair value gap. This is your bullish order block. And we touched the new week opening gap, so. Let's see if this plays out. If it would have played out. We have a bunch of equal highs here, so. That's 5R. That's crazy. You limit the amount of trades? Yep. Usually it's 3. 2 trade ideas is what I give myself. 2 trade ideas. 2 trade ideas. How many fundeds? 3 fundeds. You enter? Nope. Don't trade. I don't trade this time. We're done. We're just speculating now. Just speculating. How many payouts? I've gotten 3 payouts so far, brother. Why don't you trade this time? I don't like trading after 11. You in longs? No. Just speculating. 2 in a day or certain times? 2 in a day, yeah. How much you risk on the 50K eval? On the 50K eval, I'm going to start risking 500 and aim for 3R. Try to pass in 2 trades. But usually I risk 200. I'm new here, but thanks for sharing. Appreciate you, brother. What happened to gold? I wouldn't expect much. I mean, we already moved so much. It's probably dead now. It's Friday already. Oh, yeah, wow, that's very choppy. Yeah, if you traded gold today, I'm sorry, bro. I mean, you could have caught a nice long off the sweep. Yo, I appreciate the rose, bro. Someone sent a rose. Trading with 1 million capital is stressful. You get used to it, bro. I believe in you. Someone said something registration. That says I got 300K, 50,000 XP, but the registration gonna be. Yep, you gotta get that activation, bro. What do you think about Dogecoin right now? Alright, so many people have been asking me about Doge, bro. Let's see, bro. I wouldn't buy now. If someone told me, yo, Gatie, buy Doge, I'd buy it from here. Yeah, you gotta use prop firms. This is really free. It really is. I'd buy it from here. 32705 if I had to. I would never, but if I had to. Show me your indicators. Sure. I only have one indicator. Yeah, you can make 6 figures a month for sure, bro. You can make unlimited, bro. Unlimited. Streams were really good this week. I appreciate everyone coming through. Everyone talking in the chat. For those praying on my downfall, it's all good. For those being supportive, appreciate you. We'll be here every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Nasdaq has 257 high. Stop. I don't think much is gonna happen. You took a trade? No, we didn't take this. We didn't take this. We didn't take this. No, no, no. Yeah, we took the crude oil short on the eval just for fun. It did not play out, obviously. Keep pushing. Last 3 months already made about 100K. Nice, bro. I believe in you, bro. Make more, bro. That's motivational. No one prays on your downfall, bro. Trust me, the people on TikTok be praying on my downfall, bro. Are you gonna trade PM session? Yeah, maybe actually, maybe. Why did you want to go long earlier or right now? I didn't go long here. I was just speculating. No, I know. Hella of you on TikTok are hella supportive. Praying for your upfall. Appreciate you, bro. What happened to gold just consolidated. You know, it hit the objective and then can you show us a crude oil trade? I would, but I would never recommend. Honestly, I just saw an inversion. Didn't even look at the high time frame. I just wanted to take a trade on crude oil, bro. So I wouldn't even let me review my trade on Nasdaq. I'll review the trade we took. Are you gonna be live when you trade PM session? If I ever go live for PM session, it will be in my Discord, and it's still free. Just keep telling us wants to go. It keeps pushing on. Listen, honestly, I wouldn't. You go live on TikTok? No, just TikTok and YouTube. Discord. The best way to get into my Discord is look at my YouTube. That yellow line? Yeah, that yellow line is the weekly this old new day opening gap. This old volume imbalance right here. So daily chart, you see this old volume imbalance. You have to turn settlement on because it's larger if you turn on settlement. That's how ICT teaches it. So dream car, I don't know, maybe an R35 GTR, maybe a Porsche 911. What advice you have for newbies? Just keep working, bro. ICT, someone's laughing. That's okay. I'm not looking for anything now, bro. No, I probably won't trade PM. I probably won't be even trading it. Friday PM session, you're asking for like psychological distress, bro. Personally, you know. Friday PM, that's psychological distress. Favorite entry model? I like Silver Bullet. I like the Unicorn. I like AMD, to be honest. 930 Judas Swing. Trading Unicorn on YouTube? No, but I have something that has a higher win rate than a Unicorn, and it's very similar on my YouTube. It's my first ever video on YouTube. I'd recommend that one, to be honest. In backtest, it did a lot better than Unicorn. It had literally 100% win rate in backtest. That was only 40 trades, so it's not the biggest size, but plain Unicorn. Unicorn setup is when there's a breaker block aligned with the fair value gap. Do you have a breaker here? Man, fuck. This is a breaker block. If you can identify this, then you just need to do some more studying. But breaker block on this side of the curve. So let's look at the breaker block here. Low, high, lower low, higher high. The last up close count, I mean, it's so shitty here. Let's look at the 2 minute. I wouldn't even use any of that. Let's look for a bearish unicorn setup. I'm sure there was one. Yep, right here. So you see this? High, low, higher high, lower low. This candle, these candles are your breaker block. It's actually all of these candles. Let's go to the 5 minute and see if it's clean. Let's just use this candle. This is a breaker block. This breaker block, mark it out, extend it. Look in that box. Is there a fair value gap? Yes, there is, right here. That's your unicorn setup. Entry at the one that's lower. That's how I do it. If you want to do it the same way as me. You can look for the fair value gap, but you might not get a fill. So I enter at the breaker. Stop loss should cover the fair value gap and the breaker. The breaker goes up to here. This is technically the full breaker. So that's where I'd put my stop loss. The breaker high. You can do plus, minus a couple ticks. Obviously, this is the opposite. I just realized, but you get the idea. That's the unicorn. Nasdaq. Bro, where's the chart? Oh. I wouldn't look for long or short. Can you show that again? Sure, no problem. I'll show this and then I'll close off. So the breaker block in this price action is right here. It's both of these candles. High, low, higher, high, lower, lower, low. Look for the down close candle that caused the shift in structure and the liquidity sweep. That's why it's the breaker. This candle set up the liquidity sweep and then closed over. So now that you've identified the breaker, are you up today? Nope. Lower. Now that you identified the breaker, look inside the range. So extend the line, extend the box, whatever, and look inside the range. Do you see any fair value gaps? There's one right here. Doesn't matter how small, it's valid. And there's one right here. Either or is your unicorn setup. They both work. This one has an order block, right? Say you missed this setup. Price came up here, delivered full inefficiency. It's not likely it's going to come back up. We got another fair value gap here with an order block. You can take that. And then if you missed that and you were still bearish, you got the other order block here. But that's not the point. This is unicorn setup. First one can be bag. If you fucking shorted this, bro, good shit. Doesn't matter how small, it's valid. That's funny, bro. If it's inversion, fair value gap with the breaker, I'm pretty sure that's called a reaper. Fair value gap. But yeah, it works with inversion as well. It works with inversion, works with BPR. All valid. What indicator or algo? The only indicator I use is this one. ICT kill zones and pivots, TFO. The only reason I use it is because it'll automatically mark out the key levels for me, which is midnight open, New York open, and then 10 a.m. Those are the ones relative to my trading. And then also Asia session, and then London session. I'm trading New York, so I don't want to mark it, and I don't care about anything after. So just the simplistic form to mark out these levels. Do tape reading? I've done a lot of tape reading already. Is markets the chart for you? Use SMT indicator. I don't want to use that. What's the BPR? I've heard it so many times. It's the way I identify it. Now, ICT has explained it multiple times. I've always left comments on his videos and shit explaining the discrepancy because he changes it up. I ain't gonna lie. It's different every time. So maybe there's something we don't know. But your chart is cooked. Why? Someone said, what was the question? Fuck, forget. The BPR, yeah. The BPR is no trade. We took one loss today. The BPR is when there's two fair value gaps overlap immediately. So when you have, it's basically a sharp turn. So say you come into a level and then immediately go up. Red or green? Red day today. We took one loss. So if you hit a key level and you get a bearish fair value gap and it immediately rebalances it and runs through, this is a BPR. Usually it'll form a bullish fair value gap as well. So it's like an inversion with a bullish fair value gap. That's one way ICT taught it. There's other forms of a BPR, but that's the one that he taught. Like that's the easiest one. So for example, this right here, BPR. As soon as we came up, took the buy side, and then instant drop down. That price range is a balanced price range. It doesn't need to go back up. Someone said, what was the entry I took? I went long right here. Where was the stop? I think it was here, yeah. I was looking for something like this. Higher, to be honest. Where you learn this ICT thing? ICT is a person who teaches algorithmic price delivery on YouTube. It's free, and there's everything you need to know. BPR is one of the strongest PD rates, yeah. What's the most you made in a day? I've made 2K in a day before. So are you down for the day? Yep, we're down for the day, brother. It was bearish trend, though. Yep, you're right. Order flow was bearish. I tried to look for a reversal. I was wrong, you know? Is what it is. Followed all the rules. Can't complain. Can't complain, brother. But yeah, wrong bias. Down 30. That's okay, bro. Of course, daily bias every day, brother. Okay, what is the success ratio of ICT guy? What is it with his technique? It's really good, bro. It's really good. The reversal about to hit right now? Maybe. How long did it take you to become profitable? I don't even think you can say are you funded yet? I'm funded 3 accounts. Yeah, I've been funded many times. I've blown many fundeds. I got in 3 payouts. Yep, I entered here. We got stopped out. Picked the same trade as well. Nice. That's the one thing I like about ICT. A lot of the ICT traders be catching the same wins. You know, are you looking for your? Are you looking at your ICT notes or not? What do you mean? How much do you think I spent on prop firms? Ooh, good question. Good question. Good question. Maybe like 1,000, 1,500, maybe more. I have no idea. There was a lot of discounts that went on, so the Apex ones were not that bad. Buy on Nasdaq right now, cuzzy. Should we just send the rest of this eval? What's a prop firm? Basically, company that gives you fake money to trade with, and then if you make money, they pay you. How much have you made? I have made 3 payouts, totaling 3K US, so like 4K, 4.5K ish. I spent 3 to 4K, got an 8K payout on Apex 450K. Nice, bro. That's really good. Yeah, today was definitely bearish. If you look for longs, you got cooked on every single setup. Do you trade full time? It's not my full time income, no. Not even close. You think it was a normal loss or price didn't fully close above the bears? Nope, normal loss for me. For sure. I would take this trade every day. If you wanted to wait for the second stage, yeah, you would wait for this to inverse. You'd probably come here, maybe take the high, and then something like this. If you want to wait for this is better confirmation. I'm more than happy taking this setup though. How do you take the money? How much invest? How much interest you need to pay? No interest, bro. It's not a loan. When you make a payout, the drawdown will increase. It'll get set to 0 if you take a payout that's above the buffer. So say you have a 50K account. Yeah, that's what I love about ICT. Like we all see this market the same, It's not like a random supported resistance level. Everyone's different. No, they're not live, Joseph. They're not live. He gonna get stopped out hella. Yeah, of course, hard time frames, bro. I got cooked 1039 inversion. Yeah, if you took long today, you got cooked. You took it here. Yeah, I thought about this, but this is really weak. Yeah. He said, "Did you say that on Twitter, Richard? Just now? You didn't use the daily chart? Of course I did, bro. We were looking for longs from 25% of the daily bullish imbalance. Well, you know about that, huh? What are you trading right now? I'm not taking any trades right now. We're just looking, just talking in the chat. Nah, maybe PM session, but yeah. So when you take payout, that'll affect your drawdown for sure. You want Apex? No. Top Step and My Funny Futures. Example, please. I mean, I can't take a payout right now. I don't know what you mean by example, but say you have 4,000 in your account on Top Step. You can take out 50K. Sorry, you can take out 2K. Therefore, you have 2K left. But if you have, let's say you have 1,500, and then you take out 750, then you only have 750 left. So once you take a payout, you're only gonna have what the dollar value is left. Go to the trade you took and look at the higher time frame. Sure. Let's see. Let's go back here. All right, this is the trade we took. This inversion. So let's just say what took it from here. We entered here. Stop loss was here. And to be honest, I was looking for data highs, but we would have taken something off at these equal highs. So this was the trade we we're looking for. Look at the what do you mean by high time frame? Like 2, 3, 5, 15, hourly? Yep, your profits become your max loss. Exactly. Daily, bro. Daily, bro. I don't care what the daily looks like right now. You want to see what I see at the daily? At that time, we were rejecting 25% and the daily order block level. Smart data. It's the daily order block level. So right here, we came above the daily order block level. Do you think people watching today? Yeah. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from, you know, learn from my mistakes. Learn from my winnings. I think it'll help you guys. I think learning from people's mistakes are the best. You know, don't try to copy someone's wins. You're gonna have to find your own wins, but learning from people's mistakes is really good, in my opinion. How long you study ICT? It's been about 11 months, 12 months. Someone said they're long from 11-20. I hope it plays out for you, brother. I've been trading for 14 months. I've been doing ICT for like 11-ish. Exactly, Joseph, exactly. Why did you like the long you short earlier in the 1 minute? This one right here, it's just, it's too late. It's 11. I don't expect there to be a big move. The bias is not, and I'd be breaking rule. What trading model? You tell me what trading model is this? What? I don't have a model that says, oh, it's 10:50 macro. We have a bullish if I could go long. What do I think is gonna happen? Do I think 10 a.m. candle is gonna reverse? No, I really don't think the 10 a.m. candle is gonna reverse. There was one more. Anything here? Anything that's like here? There's just no model. As soon as price came this low, I knew that it was not gonna come back above 10 a.m. You know, how long did it take, bro? It depends. There's a lot when it comes to ICT. Why didn't you short? It's too low for me to short. It already met the short objectives. So why would I short again? Yeah, the macro is valid for sure. Are you funded? Yes. You trade based on 10 a.m. open? Sometimes, if I'm using that model. Have you heard about candle ring theory? Yes. Do you always take trades per RR or just aim for pineapple? Always risk. I always TP at logical levels. That's not true. What's not true? Look at ICU. Why didn't you catch the buy? It's too late for me. Too late for me. Even if we get like a shallow move here, I don't expect it to do too much. RR lost today? I don't know. One? Don't you risk? I don't know. RR lost 360 today. I don't know. 360 dollars. Um, I'm 17. Does it work? Yes. 10 a.m. open is nuts. We didn't even get manipulation above. I know. One tick. Um, no more trade. They're just answering questions. Then I'll go make some breakfast. Maybe take a nap. Got basketball today. Is it AI model as video template? Why do you prioritize FEGs over OBs? Great question. Well, I just like the FEG more. Think it's more visually appealing. I don't like the order block because I feel like, I mean, ICT is admitted to not teaching some of the order block theory, so I wouldn't even go down that route. Then why do I not use candle range theory? I don't like candle range theory, and I'm already happy with my system. A lot of people have been asking me like, well, why don't I do this? Yo, guys, I have my trading system. I have thousands of backtest. Like, imagine you had a trading system, you backtested thousands of trades, you knew it was going to be good long term. Why would I look to change it? I'm just going to look to make improvements every 20 to 30-ish trades, and that's it. We're done. I found my shit, guys, I'm not looking to change my model, change my system, small adjustments here and there from what I learn, improve the model constantly, of course, but yep, we took one loss today, brother. Uh, You done? Yeah, we're done. We're done for the week, bro. Every person has a different model that works. Exactly, but you just gotta find out what works for you. Find out your strengths and weaknesses. Exactly, exactly. Have you invested in crypto? I have, but I don't like crypto. I own some Solana right now, but what model do you typically trade? 930 do this, silver bullet. Let me show you guys on TikTok something, just because everyone keeps asking me, what's my system? What's my model? Let me show you guys. What I keep referring to when I say my system, my model. This is what I'm referring to. My literal trading system. Everything is already outlined for me. I know exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to entries, risk management, journaling, pre-market plan. Now I have to edit this still because I have notes from the last 40 trades. So I'm going to be doing that this weekend. But everything's here. I know my system. I ain't changing it. And if you want to learn, if you want to see my system, I wouldn't copy it. I don't think it's going to work for you. But you can definitely improve your system maybe, or learn from it, or maybe you see something wrong with mine and you're like, okay, or something. I don't know. That kind of stuff. If you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube, come through. I post the videos. This is just my system. I'm not teaching you this. I'm not telling you to trade this. I'm not saying, I'm just showing you guys my system. People asked me to, so I did it. How I created my own system. Psychology is part 1. Part 2 is the routine. Part 3 is pre-market. And then part 4 is the trading models. And then we'll do other stuff after. Still working on this. It's been a while since I posted 7 days. Usually I post twice a week, but we're taking a break because I'm working on some other stuff right now. So I need some more time. How much have you made since you started trading, including stocks or no? 62% of trades been 5-minute OB. This would be your 5-minute OB. This is your OTE. Quarter fib. Yeah, get your OTE. It's pretty sharp return though. Why do you trade all damn day, man? I only trade 9 to 11. Then I still here answer some questions. 930 do this is what exactly in short, obviously. 930 do this in short? I got you, bro. You want me to show you right now? This. Message me for a trading tutorial. That guy's probably scamming, guys. Don't message. You can't force someone to trade CRT while people force others to use CRT. Where comes your income? Most of my stuff is from savings, and I work part-time. So I cover my monthly expenses with my part-time work and some side projects. That way, we're not going negative every single month. And I just got to focus on my trading until it can replace my income. If I ever start needing more, I would get another part-time job. But for now, we're good. For now, we are good. What's the best stocks to day trade? You gotta look at the big boys if you want to day trade. Did you win today? No, we did not. I don't know how you can identify do this on day to day, certain time of day. It says right here, New York Open. Okay, everyone look at this picture. This is the last thing I'm gonna do. Look at this picture. I'll leave it here. Can you guys see it if I put it here? Just look. Look at this. All right. Um, wait. Thursday. Where's Thursday? 9:30. Okay, right here. I'm gonna draw this out for you guys. Give me 1 second. All right. Compare these two pictures. Is this not the exact model? This was yesterday. Now we missed our entry on this, but nonetheless, still valid. Bro, someone get this guy out of here, bro. Interesting. Red betting? Honestly, I just know nothing about it, and I kind of like the path I'm going down, so I don't want to. This is AMD. AMD. This is 1 minute chart. This is my AMD model. Someone just asked me like, how do you know when to look for AMD? I look for it at 9:30, or I look for it in Asia, London. But in this case, we're using the New York session. Consolidation, pre-market New York. Pre-market New York. Let me show you guys what it says in my notes, in my model, before anyone thinks I'm just making shit up. This was written long ago. Listen, identified accumulation pre-market or at New York Stock Exchange open. So New York open. I'll make it simple. Is this not this? Accumulation pre 9:30. Step 1, check. Step 2, identified a clear drawn liquidity and directional bias for the session or the day. If you were in my live stream tomorrow, you knew exactly where I said price is going to go, which was these equal lows right there. And there was another level, but whatever, we'll leave it there. You knew it. I called it yesterday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. So nothing new. That yellow line. Okay. Next. So we have the first two. Clear manipulation, taking out liquidity, and or tapping into a higher time frame PD rate after 9:30. This is 9:30. This is after 9:30. Did we take out liquidity? Yes. Did we hit a higher time frame PD rate? Yes. There's a 15-minute bearish fair value gap in there. Check. Displacement after the manipulation towards the drawn liquidity, forming FEG or inversion FEG. Do you have it here? Displacement? Yes. Is there an inversion? Yes. Right here. There's an inversion right here. And there's also a bearish FEG right there. So there's both of those criteria met. I don't need both, I just need one. Finally, use your entry model selection. So this is a trading model. In terms of the entry model, I use anything from 1 to 6. I have 6 entry models right now, and I'm working on the back test for 2 more. So how can I get in on this trade? Option 1, fair value gap limit order. I put a fair value gap order right there. In this case, I didn't do that. Step 2, or option 2, inversion market order. So we enter as soon as this candle confirms the inversion. That's the order that we missed. It went too low and I missed it. But that was what we were looking for. Step 3, unicorn limit order. We have a unicorn right here, and I thought it was too low. The risk to reward wasn't good, so I didn't take it. But we did call out this. That's unicorn entry right there. Step 4, breaker mitigation. We don't have that in this trade, so we can't use that one. Price delivery continuum theory. So this is our 15-second chart. We could have done that right here, but we didn't look for it. And then step 6 is OTE, in which case this one never formed, because if you look at the OTE, you would have never gotten there. So didn't work out. So there you go. Did you take this trade? Which one? This one? No, we missed our fill yesterday. But someone was asking me about my AMD model, so I'm just showing them exactly what it is. Do you go to school? I finished school. And I'm never going back. What is 9:30 some session open? 9:30 starts the regular trading hours, Marky. So that's when the New York Stock Exchange opens. How long have you been trading for? It's been about a year, brother. All right, we're going to start wrapping this up. It's time for breakfast. It's time for me to message my girl, make some breakfast. I got to make some notes. I got to record some videos for my friend, for his prop firm as well, the one that I'm partnered with. Can you show me the documents in my Discord, brother? It's all yours. It's free. 1 hour, 4 hour, both, bro. Of course, yeah, all of them. I use all of them, bro. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, 10, 5, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, all of those. Breakfast before, after trade. I try to get both, bro. I'm trying to gain some weight right now. So, Valen, for futures or for Forex, brother? For Forex, I use Funded by Traders. For futures, I use Top Step, My Funded Futures. How do you rate this week? For me, only Monday and Tuesday were good. I would rate this entire month pretty bad. This is probably my worst ever trading month. Last 4 weeks, so hope it was good for you too. It was absolutely awful, brother, but it's all good because, I learned a lot. We followed our rules, and I'm happy, Truly, I'm happy. Truly. I would take one loss today, Tyson. Too much charts, in my opinion. What do you mean? The time frames? It's easy for me, I see everything quick. When you know exactly what you're looking for, it's really easy. Like I'll just scan the 4 hour. I'll say, okay, we have an imbalance there. Maybe we'll use that, and then I'll just see what's. It kind of just comes natural. Yes, sir. That is the way. Dogecoin. I gave my opinion. I don't like trading crypto, but like I said, if I had to, if someone said I had to, I would look for an entry here, bro. Like somewhere 0.32. I think it's gonna go back up. I don't know. But if someone said you have to enter, that's what I would do. So if that helps you, if you think it's gonna go up and you just want a little bit of opinion about where you get in, I would do it there if I had to. Yeah, I think we'll go up a little bit in the PM session, but I wouldn't think too much about it. Yeah, downside was definitely the play today. You caught that? Very nice. All right, we're gonna wrap this up. Everyone on TikTok, hear me out. If you want to come to YouTube, come through. I want you guys to push to YouTube if you can, if it doesn't matter. Because YouTube, you can easily see both my screens. There's less of a delay. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think there's less of a delay. I stream on YouTube, so this is me on YouTube. I post my videos. If you want to come through, you can come on YouTube instead of TikTok if you prefer that. But I'll still be live on TikTok. It's the same delay. Okay, there you go. So it's the same delay, so it doesn't really matter. So it's up to you. I do both. See you on Monday, brother. Yep, we'll be live every single day, probably until I purchase a Lamborghini. So, no, I'm joking, but we'll be live, showing my journey. The whole point is transparency, consistency, and kind of discipline, right? Accountability. The trading helps me. The live trading helps me, and I'll be here every single day. So if you guys want to tune in, pull up to Yorkville in the Urus. But if I were to buy the Lamborghini out here right now, it would definitely not be a fucking Urus. Although people apparently love the Urus SUV. I don't know, man. The link doesn't work. Yes. Oh, the link doesn't work from TikTok as well, bro? Why is the fucking TikTok links also shit? It's the same link on all my socials, but for some reason on TikTok it just doesn't work. Is there a if you use the link tree, does it work? Tay. No, I'm gonna call you Miss Eugene. How about that? Cause I don't want to mispronounce your name. The link in my link tree should work. For YouTube, it doesn't. For real, for real. Yeah, that's tough. You're just gonna have to go GatieTrades. Tay works. Just GatieTrades then. GatieTrades on Discord, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Oh, the Discord one doesn't work? Yeah, the Discord one is definitely bugged in TikTok. I don't know what to do about it. I tried putting just the link. It didn't work. Um, I'll send a link for the Discord in the chat right now, but for some reason it just doesn't work. I've tried everything. It's the same link. The link doesn't change. It works on every other platform. For some reason on TikTok it doesn't work. But the other ones hopefully should at least work. But I'll send the link there if you want to come through. Appreciate you, MMXM. You waiting for PM? Maybe on the eval, I'll just send a PM trade because I'm gonna get new evals for next week anyway. This one's been awful, but probably not. Take care, Sarvan. Hoping for some good PA. Yeah, me too, bro. It's been a while for me at least. It's for I've seen something really nice. I mean, yo, we've been right about where it's gonna go. Except today. Today we were wrong. Excluding today, it's been 7 days in a row now. 7 days in a row where we predicted TP, but we're not able to execute. So I guess we got to work on our execution. Maybe our timing's off. But I'll definitely going back, reading the price action, seeing where we went wrong. I mean, it's already in my journal, but at least we're improving at reading price. Someone said gold. I should have gold open here. Monthly fair value gap. I would just wait personally to see if we invert the daily. I would wait for an inversion on the daily, look for higher prices. Like for example, let's say from here. If we show confirmation that we're going higher from here, I'd look for longs. Do you chill your trades or wait for TP? It depends. I have a system in place for that, so it depends. Take care, cookie. How about Doge? I would buy Doge if it went lower. Yeah, we're getting a lot of questions, Koala, but we're about to wrap up the live. ICT work on gold, 100% absolutely yes, bro. Yo, we got another rose. Appreciate you, Arlo, our Lord of Bavian, our Lord of Bavian. Look in Discord. Um, nice. Robbie caught the short. Good shit, Robbie. What am I looking for? Oh, nice. 3 Apex eval. That's really good. That's really good. Work them out now. Get that payout. Then get some more revals. Apex is really good for scaling. Apex is really good for scaling. So let's have a backtest it this week. Yes, it works for sure. Any analysis for Doge? I would look for longs from the daily bullish fair value gap. Bro, why are you actually bullish? I'm not bullish anymore, but I was. You got 6 right now? That's really good. That's really good. I'm proud of you. That is really good. Sent 2 roses. Appreciate you, Sarvan. We were bullish, looking for a reversal from London lows. We got stopped out, and then that was it. It kept going. The fact that it kept going just tells me we're not going to reverse today. So, if you caught the shorts, YouTube, have a good day. I say less backtest. Yeah, back. Apex doesn't pay real traders. Many complaints. Apex, no, Apex will pay. I mean, there's a lot of complaints, but I think they pay out like 99%. Sometimes you get iffy with, like, for the most part, if they have a complaint, like they'll send it to you. I think the only people they don't pay out that I've seen on Twitter is like really, really like really profitable traders. I think they just ban them, bro. I look, you have a theory, but who knows? All right, we're gonna wrap this up. You trade SMC? Yes. We're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna go make breakfast. Is it worth 200K or 150K? You'd have to do the math. If you have the money, the 300K is obviously going to be better in terms of making money, but depends on how much money you got, bro. I'm sticking with the 50Ks for now. Best futures, Top Step, in my opinion. Top Step, my fund of futures, then Apex. All right, no more questions. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna go make breakfast. I appreciate you guys coming through. This is the indicator, brother. Profit target will be higher on the 300K, of course, but in terms of percentages, it'll be the same. See you next week. Hope you guys all come next week. You know, realistically, the loss streak should end here. But who knows? You know, I'm not gonna sweat over it. Hopefully, we can turn things around. Keep following the rules. That's all that matters, and we'll make it. We'll make it through, boys. So, take care, everyone. See you guys live tomorrow. GatieTrades on every social media. If you want to come on YouTube next time, or if you want to switch to TikTok, or go on YouTube, it's up to you. Join the Discord. It's free. You can hit me up with any questions. Till next time, brothers. Tyson for sure.